Part 1. Complete this text. Teachers. So you've got a few minutes to discuss with your partner. Student 1. So, as far as I know, the main similarity between Mars and Earth is that they can both support human life. Student 2. Yeah, but do we know that's actually true? I mean, Mars is much colder than Earth, isn't it? It says here it's about 55 degrees most of the time, whereas on Earth only places like Antarctica get that cold. Student 1. True. Well then, I suppose you could say both planets are similar distant for the Sun. Student 2. No way, Mars is much further away. It says here it's about 228 million kilometers, while Earth is about 115 million kilometers. Student 1. Yes, but it's space that not that far. Jupiter is like almost 718 million kilometers. That's why we use astronomical units when we talk about distance in space. Is one astronomical unit from the sun of Mars is 1.3. The difference doesn't sound so big when you look at it that way. Student 2. I see what you mean. Jupiter is 5.2 astronomical units, so I guess you're right. What other similarities are there between the two planets? Student 2. Let's see. Not the color, obviously. Student 2. Yeah, Earth is called the blue planet and Mars is called the red planet for pretty obvious reason. Student 1. Their size are pretty different. Mars is about half the size of our. Student 2. What about this? It looks like the days on both planets are almost the same length. Earth's day is 24 hours, but Mars is about half an hour longer. Student 1. You're right. Okay, any other things they both share? Student 2. I suppose you could say they have water in common. Student 1. Could you? How? Student 2. Well, Earth is 70% water and Mars probably had huge ocean in the past. It's just that most of the water there now is probably frozen. Student 1. I see. I don't think we can say the air is the same too. Most of Earth's air is not nitrogen and oxygen, but Mars. Student 2. Mars doesn't really have air, not compared with Earth. It's got about 1% as much air as Earth. Student 1. Right, and it's mostly carbon dioxide. Student 2. Gravity is another difference. I didn't know this, but Mars has higher gravity than the Moon, but it's much less than on Earth, of course. Student 1. Okay, yes, it say Mars has about 38% of Earth's gravity. Teachers. Okay, let's see what you've found. Part 2. Complete this text. Junko. Hello Junko, Mori speaking. How can I help you? Andrea. Hi Junko, it's Andrea for Red Band. I'm calling about our latest order. Junko. Everything arrived okay, right? We got the delivery confirmation at our end. Andrea. Yes, everything fine with the order. I'm calling about the invoice and the time in terms. I need a favor. Junko, a favor? What do you need? Andrea, this is a little difficult, but I need an extension on the payment terms. I know they are usually 30 days, but with having some cash flow problems, you'd really be helping us out of you could extend it the 60 days. Junko, I'm not sure if I can do that, Andrea. We've got regulation at our ends and also have to manage our own cash flow. Andrea, I promise this won't become the norm, Junko. Actually I also want to place another new order, the same size order as last time. It's for a important customer and they pay on delivery. Junko, I see. So your cash flow problem will be solved after this new order is delivered. Andrea, exactly. Junko, that sounds good. Hold on, Andrea. Let me see what I can do. Yes, I think we can make an exception this time. Andrea, that's great, Junko. I, appre- I appreciate your help, Junko. And we appreciate your business, Andrea. It works both ways. Andrea, thanks again, Junko. Can you send me a send can you send a me can you send me a quick email confirmation of the payment terms extension? Junko, sure, no problem. We'll happy to help you. Andrea, great. And I'll email you the new order. Junko, thanks. I'll keep an eye out for it. Talk to you soon. Andrea, you too. Goodbye.